Hello friends, I'm Akash from Digital Rain Media Private Limited. We are a company which is into 3D animation, and we do a lot of architectural rendering, 3D walkthroughs. We do a lot of augmented reality apps, which are the new rage, and we have got some stuff which is got a lot of relevance, not only in the construction industry, for the building and architectural industry, but also for the automobile industry. So this little video which you are going to see now is going to take you through the different kinds of apps that can be developed in augmented reality for the purpose of visualization of an architectural model, or you could say a residential or a commercial project, or a new automobile which is going to be launched. When we are doing a specific project, it is completely individualized, and we take care that we give a lot of thought to what the actual requirement and the final end application is for the customer. This particular app that you see, it's a augmented reality app where you can actually have a 360-degree view of the entire automobile, and you can open and close the doors. And what we are doing is we are trying to get the interiors of the car. We can zoom in into the car and see the interiors and change it and probably customize it according to your needs. Now, the next app that you see is an augmented reality app where you can get a 360-degree view of the entire flat, and using the mouse pad and the arrow keys, you can actually go from room to room. It's a 3D walkthrough in an interactive style. And what we are trying to get into this work in progress is you can change the furniture, paint, textures, walls, ceilings, and what have you, and customize it completely. In this next app, it's a augmented reality app for the smartphone where you can see the exteriors of a building, and you can have animated objects outside, as well as you can zoom in and watch the 360-degree view of the building. It's a work in progress, and what we are trying to show you is a sample flat inside with all the amenities like gymnasium, car parking, etc., where you can just take the camera in and watch the entire building and its facilities.